Imagine you're an electricity wizard. You can create light with just a few magical tools found around your house. Today, we're going to learn how to make a simple circuit to light up a tiny light bulb, just like a cozy lamp in a wizard's castle. First, let's gather our materials. We'll need a small light bulb, a battery, like the one in your remote control, and some pieces of wire. Remember, electricity can give you a surprise zap if you're not careful, so ask an adult for help. Now, let's start our magical experiment by making a complete circuit. A circuit is like a path that electricity loves to travel around. Begin by taking one piece of wire and attaching one end to the positive side of the battery. A battery's sides are kind of like north and south on a compass, helping electricity know where to flow. Connect the other end of this wire to the bottom of your light bulb. Think of this wire as a bridge that electricity will use to run toward the bulb, like a little electrical race car. Then, take a second piece of wire and attach one end to the metal part of the light bulb's base. Hold on, it's getting exciting. Connect the other end to the negative side of your battery. Watch closely as your light bulb flickers to life like a mini sun. What you just made is a simple circuit. In this type of circuit, electricity flows in a loop from the battery to the bulb and back again. It's as if electricity is running around a track, full of energy. But wait, we can also try something different called a series circuit. This time, you will still connect one wire from the battery to the bulb, but add another bulb into the circuit using an extra piece of wire. The bulbs will light up, but maybe not as brightly. Electricity now has two light bulbs to power, like kids sharing one scoop of ice cream. Try another layout called a parallel circuit. Connect each bulb separately to the battery using two sets of wires. Notice how each bulb shines just as brightly as when it's alone. It's because each bulb has its personal electricity path, like each kid getting their own ice cream cone. You just learned how a simple circuit works. By turning wires and a battery into something that makes light, you're harnessing electricity, a real scientific superpower. Remember, though, while enjoying the magic of electricity, always be safe and ask an adult when working with new gizmos and gadgets. Happy science adventures!